Hi, this is Papo. I'm going to tell you a little bit about dinosaurs, all kinds of dinosaurs. This talks about dinosaurs and what they like to eat. Look at this guy's long neck. Look at this mean guy. He's a mean guy. And this little tiny guy. Dinosaurs lived millions of years ago, before people. There's any of the kind of dinosaurs like you like? The one with a long neck and kind of a brushy thing on his head, the spiky guy here. Most dinosaurs were herbivores. That means they ate plants. They weren't mean at all. They just ate plants. Triceratops ate plants. Iguanodons, like you like, ate plants. Stegosaurus ate plants. Apatosaurus ate plants. He's got a big mouthful of bushes. Brachiosaurus, he ate plants. He could eat plants way up high in the trees. Look how long his neck is. Herbivores' teeth were often blunt and flat, and that helped them crush and grind down plants. They could just get these big teeth were in his mouth, and he could just crush all of the plants and chew them up. Apatosaurus had long, thin teeth to help them rake through the grass. He'd kind of drag his teeth. He would kind of drag his teeth through the grass and get some grass up into his mouth, and then use those other kind of teeth to crush it. See here? Got some kind of grass or bushes or something in his teeth. Triceratops had teeth that helped them chew up food. Look at this is Triceratops teeth. Those are big teeth. They might have even eaten plants like small palm trees. Wow, they'd have really had to have a big mouth and big teeth to eat something like that. Diplodocus mostly ate leaves. They didn't have any teeth in the back of their mouth for chewing. Scientists think they swallowed stones to help grind up their food. You don't want to swallow stones, that'd be acky. But they had little pebbles to help crush up the leaves that they ate. See, they could eat up way up high in the tree. Diplodocus. Papa might not be pronouncing that right. Some dinosaurs were carnivores. That means they were meat eaters. They ate other animals. Velociraptor. Look at his long tail. It's a velociraptor. These kind mostly walk just on 2 feet. See how they're kind of up? They have these big feet and then just little tiny arms. And these big sharp teeth. Look at their big sharp teeth. Velociraptor, Giganotosaurus. I never heard of that before. Then this guy we've heard of before, Tyrannosaurus Rex, T-Rex. They ate meat. Carnivores had teeth that were sharp like knives, so they could cut through meat. See their big sharp teeth? That's a big sharp carnivore dinosaur tooth, just like a knife, like mom cuts up vegetables with for your supper. Land living carnivores had strong, long legs, so they could move quickly and catch their prey. They had these big back legs and they could run fast. Uh-oh, it looks like he might have caught a triceratops. I think he might have caught a triceratops. Smaller meat eaters, like these clever velociraptors, hunted in packs or ate the meat that other large dinosaurs left behind. They were small and fast. See, they're circling around the other dinosaur. They're pretty scary. What do you think dinosaurs that lived in the sea ate? There's something called an ichthyosaurus, plesiosaurus, fish. Fish are pretty ancient. Probably ate like they might have eaten other fish, or they could have eaten like seaweeds and stuff that grew in the water. Some dinosaurs were omnivores. That's a big word. It just means that they'd eat anything, like you do for your meals. You eat vegetables and you eat meat. So they eat both vegetables and meat. And they had a beak and no teeth for cracking eggs and picking up plants. So they could eat insects, and they could eat grasses, and they could eat eggs. Can you sort these dinosaurs into herbivores, carnivores, omnivores? Well, let's look back at the picture. This one, it says, is an omnivore. So this guy is an omnivore. This guy is a carnivore. He has sharp teeth. This guy is an herbivore. He just eats plants. He's got a long neck and just little tiny teeth. There's a whole bunch of different dinosaurs. You can see if you can tell mom and dad which ones you know. I bet you know some of them. Papa doesn't know very many of them. I know this one's an iguanodon, and that one's a triceratops, but I don't know very many other ones. You'll have to have mom and dad help you figure out what the other ones are. Bye.